All right, as we've been talking about, the collision industry is changing. Certified networks are becoming more and more important so that we can make sure these technicians are trained. And here at ProSpot, we never stop pushing the limits to make sure that we have the best equipment out there. And we are proud to announce here at SEMA 2021 that we have just received our VAS approval for the Volkswagen and Audi certified collision network for our SP-5.3 multi-process welder. This gives the shop the ability to use silicone bronze, aluminum, and steel, all by one quick click of the trigger. We're proud to finally announce our VW Audi VAS approval here at SEMA 2021. If you'd like any more information on any of the products or more of the ProSpot products that you've seen today, please visit our website or check us out on social media, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, or reach out to your local ProSpot rep. Thank you for being with us today and glad you were here, SEMA 2021.